Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to CAPCUT, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro for free. Now, if you're an avid user of CapCut like me, I usually edit my videos on CapCut. Then definitely you know that joining Pro has a fee that you need to pay for subscription. Now, if you want to get CapCut Pro for free, specifically the Pro version, then you're gonna want to go to this site. So on your browser, type in CapCut older version download. And here you can see up to down. So there are two versions of this. You have the older version for Windows, you have older version for Android. Since we're using Windows, go to Windows. From here, what we want to do is we want to select a version that we want to download. As much as possible, try to go down a year before. Right now it's 2025, so we'll download somewhere here in 2024. Here, September 13. So just click on that, scroll down, click on download. Once this is done, just click on download. Automatically that will down the ex file for us, the launcher. And yeah, now there are pros and cons of this. Number one is that since you're downloading an older version, you're not gonna get the new features of CapCut Pro. However, it's still Pro, so there are still some files here, or there are some versions here that are still very, very useful for video editing. Now, another thing is you're gonna use a third party application. Now, there are, of course, threats for malware and viruses and whatnot. Now, afterwards, once it's done, just click on this and then click on install now. Oops, make sure to close the older version CapCut or the version that you're using. If not, then you can also just uninstall it so that there's no problem using it at all. Okay, so just click on install now. And once that's done, then you should be good to go. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.